Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I know I have been MIA from YouTube since a few days, but I got a little bit busy and I didn't got time to film. But this time I'm back and I hope I'm able to keep up with my upload schedule. Please just pray for me. So today's video is going to be a product empties, and these are the products I emptied out in the past 2 months. Now if you have seen some of my previous videos, I have mentioned that I'm on an emptying out spree. That is, I wanted to empty a lot of products before they get expired or before purchasing new products, because I didn't want to hoard a lot of them and I wanted to make space in my vanity. So yeah, I'm emptied out of few products and I'm very happy with the progress. Enough with the longest intro. If you want to know what are the products I emptied out and my views regarding them, or will I be repurchasing them or not, without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into the video. If you have noticed a little thing, I was not wearing any earrings in the previous footage, so I just added them. So yeah, we'll start with hair care first, and the first product I want to talk about is this L'Oreal Total Repair 5 shampoo. Now this came in with the conditioner, but I finished the shampoo first because यार ना मेरे से कभी shampoo और conditioner एक साथ खत्म नहीं होते. Now regarding this shampoo, it didn't do anything for my hair. ऊपर से it made my hair very rough and dry. Now many people like this shampoo, but I really didn't like the feeling of this on my hair. Now I have used a lot of L'Oreal hair care products and they are mostly hit or miss, and this is definitely a miss. I'm using the L'Oreal Color Protection shampoo since the past few years and I really enjoy using it, but this sadly didn't do anything for me and I'm not going to repurchase this again. I have the conditioner yet to finish and I think it will take a few more days or a few more months for me to finish it, but yeah, this one is totally a miss. The next hair care product I'm going to talk about is also a shampoo, and that is the Saint Botanica Pro-Keratin and Argan Oil shampoo. Now this is a sample size product I got from Smitten. If you have not seen my Smitten haul, I'll link it up in the eye. Now regarding this product, this works same as the L'Oreal shampoo. This made my hair really dry and rough and I didn't like the feeling of this on my hair, and I thank God I didn't bought the conditioner because it would have been difficult for me to finish them together. And this is free from paraben and SLSs, so that is the one reason it didn't lather up. At least the L'Oreal one lathered up. This was very difficult to lather, and that is the one reason I finished it very early, because I used a lot of quantity to cover my hair, because I felt like my hair are not cleaning up. So I'm not repurchasing this again. It's definitely a miss. The last hair care product I'm going to talk about is this Streax hair serum. When I used it for the first time, I really enjoyed it, but over the time I realized it didn't do anything to control my frizziness. Like, it used to control my frizzy hair, but for a small amount of time, and then my hair were back to square one, which I didn't like. And also this is a little bit sticky to use. I don't think I'll be repurchasing this again, because I feel there are other serums in the market which are really affordable when it comes to the price point and which works nicely on your hair. And I think we are having a pretty bad time when it comes to hair care empties products, but chalta hai. Let's move on to Bodycare, because I have a lot of products to talk about. And the first one is this Plum's BodyLovin shower gel in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. Now if you have been following me or been subscribed to me for a long time, you know I have been obsessed with Plum's Bodycare product. I have been obsessed with Plum as a brand, and this shower gel is so divine. It smells so tropical. I liked it so much. I placed order for the full size version, and there are more variants in this one, and I'm buying few more Bodycare products from Plum's BodyLovin range. So yeah, I really love this. If you are into tropical smells, of if you love beaches, you'll definitely love this. So yeah, this one is my favorite and I'll definitely be repurchasing this again and again and again. For someone who is lazy when it comes to applying body lotion, I've surely finished a lot of them. The first one is this Oriflame body lotion. Now this one was bought by my mom and I don't know why she bought this in the first place, but I'm definitely not going to repurchase this again, because this one is so heavy and thick on your skin. It just sits on your skin, it just doesn't sink in. It feels very heavy and oily. For someone who is from the dry skin family, this might work, but I don't have dry skin 24/7 365 days a year. During winters it does get dry, during normal times it is not that dry, so I just hated the feeling of this and I applied this during summer, so you can understand what was my situation. So yeah, this is totally a mess and I'm not repurchasing this again. The next body lotion I managed to finish is this NIVEA Body Milk, and I didn't finish one but 2 bottles of this. Now long story short, my dad's skin really gets dry during winters and he really likes to keep it moisturized, so he buys this NIVEA Body Milk, and he buys them in the cocoa variant, but this time this was not available, so he bought 2 bottles of this, and once winters are over he just ignores them. So yeah, I have the responsibility to finish them. So yeah, I finished them up, and this is a nice moisturizing lotion. I honestly like this. It is not too heavy or too sticky on your skin, but I don't prefer this during summers. Obviously during winter this is a really nice option. So not me, but my dad will definitely repurchase this product again because it keeps him moisturized, and I think this is a pretty affordable option and it smells very nice. The last body care product I'm going to talk about are this NIVEA Moisturizer. Now this is the OG, the cult favorite. You just had to be there, okay? And this is the soft light moisturizer. Now both of them do a really great job when it comes to moisturizing your body. And this one is really thick, okay? I don't like using this during summers because it can be a bit too heavy on your skin, but during winter this is your best bet. And this one, soft light moisturizer, you can use during summers also because it is pretty light as compared to this. Now both of these do a really nice job in protecting and moisturizing your body. This one came as a free product with some other product, and it also comes in a small tub, and I will definitely purchase this again, not for me but for my dad, and these are really nice. Let's move on to one of my favorite range of product, and that is skincare. And to start with, I have two face washes to talk about. The first one is this Rejuglow Skin Rejuvenating Face Wash. I have talked about this highly in my current favorite skincare videos. If you have not seen it, I will link it up in the eye, but overall I really love this face wash. This is my holy grail. This has made my skin so much better, and I sadly don't have a backup of this, and once I stopped using this I realized how I missed this, and I definitely will be repurchasing this again. Now this one contains glycolic and salicylic acid, and it doesn't strip off all the oil from your skin, so it doesn't feel very drying after washing. So even if you have dry skin you can use this, but for oily skin and acne prone skin this is a really nice one. Do give this a try. I'm pretty sure you will love it. Next face wash is Plum's Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. Now this is also sample size version brought from Sweden, and I already have a backup of this. I'm already using this and I am loving it so much. This has a gel based texture with small granules which don't irritate your skin at all, and it has a fragrance. So if you don't like fragrance, they have also launched a fragrance free variant of this, like the whole green tea range. They have launched a fragrance free variant, so do give that a try. Now Plum's tea tree range is a mostly hit or miss. Not everybody has good views regarding it, so I will recommend you to try a sample size product, and if you really like them then go for the full size version. But overall I will definitely repurchase this product again. It is really nice if you have oily and acne prone skin, and it doesn't make your skin dry even if you are from the dry skin family. So yeah, I will definitely repurchase this again, and I will recommend you to try this once. You will definitely love it. The one and the only face serum I want to talk about is this Minimalist Alpha Arbutin 2% serum. Now I have a whole review video regarding this on my channel, so if you have not seen it I will link it up in the eye. But to be precise, this has not done anything for my skin. It didn't work on my acne or my acne scars, on my acne hyperpigmentation. So yeah, definitely not repurchasing this again. For some people this has worked really nicely, so I will recommend you to check multiple reviews regarding this thing, because actives work differently or different skin types. What works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So this is the one product I bought with high expectations, but sadly it didn't work for me, so yeah, not buying this again. The only moisturizer I finished and absolutely loved is this Pond Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Oh my god guys, this is my holy grail product. I love this so much. After the Innisfree Chia Seed got discontinued, I was so disappointed that I won't find a moisturizer like this, and this came in and I was so happy. This is so lightweight, just like the name. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky, sinks into your skin, and oh my god, this is such a great product. I'm so happy I got this, and I already have a backup of this, like the big tub. This is a small tub I bought because I had to travel, and I will definitely repurchase this product again and again and again. If you're looking out for a good budget friendly moisturizer, make sure to give Pond Super Light Gel Moisturizer a try. I think it also comes in a cream variant, and it is for dry skin people, but I think this also works equally well for all skin type. So this is the one product I have loved a lot, and I think I will empty out a lot of tubs of this. Let us talk about some makeup remover. The first one I have for you is this Plum's E-Luminence Cleansing Balm. Now this one is also a sample size product, and I already have a backup of this in the full size, and I love this to bits and pieces. This is such a fine makeup remover. It does a really nice job in melting away all your makeup. If you are wearing waterproof mascara, it might be a task to remove using this, but I think waterproof mascaras in general are a task to remove, so yeah, I can't blame this. But this has a really nice texture. But remember, this is just a first step to double level cleansing. Make sure to wash your face with a nice face wash after using this. But I really like this and I'm definitely repurchasing this again and again and again. The next makeup remover and the last skincare product is this Garnier Micellar water. This is the oil infusing variant and it also comes in one more variant like the pink bottle. And this product is not new on my channel. I have been talking about this constantly. Now if you are someone who is not into cleansing balm or you are looking out for just one and done makeup remover, this is your best friend. I really enjoyed using this throughout the time I have used this. I have finished so many bottles of this, I don't even remember. And even after using the cleansing balm, I make sure to use this on my eyes to remove any waterproof mascara traces. I'll be repurchasing this product again and again and again, and I already have a backup of this if you have not guessed it yet. So yeah, this is overall a really nice makeup remover and this is very affordable and travel friendly. I make sure to carry this whenever I am traveling because I don't want to carry a full big cleansing tub. And also if you are wearing just normal eye makeup, this you can use to remove it. You don't want to use a cleansing balm to remove just a normal eye makeup. Overall, I have finished a lot of bottle of this and I really love it if you have not guessed it already. Let's move on to the makeup category, my favorite one, and I managed to empty out quite a few makeup products, but they were easier to empty out than the other products I own. So let's start with mascara first, and I have two mascaras to talk about, both of them from the house of Maybelline. First one is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is the waterproof variant, and second one is this Total Temptation Mascara. This is the washable variant, and I love both of them. Maybelline knows their mascaras. I have always said that I have not used any other mascaras other than Maybelline and L'Oreal, but Maybelline I have used a lot, and this is very lengthening. This gives nice length to your lashes. I am wearing it right now, and this one is voluminizing, but I am partial toward this one a little bit, and both of them are quite affordable, and that is the good thing about Maybelline mascaras. They are very affordable and they do their job really well. Now regarding the repurchase, definitely going to repurchase this again. Now when it comes to mascaras, I like to try out different variant. This is my first tube. I already have a backup of this, and this is also my second one. I think I have used a waterproof variant before this, and I like to try out different variants. Sometimes I will try the hyper curl one, sometimes I will try the colossal one, and I have used a lot of Maybelline mascaras and I love all of them. So yeah, next time I might buy it when the festive season is there. I might try the different variant of the Maybelline mascara. This for filming and everything is really good. So yeah, both of them are pure love. I have two more eye makeup empties and both of them are liners, and the first one is this L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye Liner. Now this one is really good. I really enjoyed using this. This is my second pen. I already used one before, and this is very long lasting. It doesn't dry up like when you keep it. I think it lasted me for a good amount of 7 or 8 months, which I think is really nice for an eyeliner. Now this is really nice to draw a wing eyeliner. This one stayed put on my oily lids, and if anything stays put on my oily lid, it automatically becomes my favorite. And this is jet black. The color is really nice. It is pigmented. Only problem with this is a bit costly. It comes for 799 rupees, which I think is a little bit too much because you get other variants in the market which are quite affordable. This is the only problem I have, so try to get this on discount if you want to buy it. Definitely going to repurchase this product again in the future if it is on sale. Now I have the same thing with liners as with mascaras. I like to try out different liners to see which stays put on my oily lid or which is not waterproof or anything. So yeah, this one really proved itself, and yeah, I loved it. The next liner I emptied out is this Nykaa Get Ink liner. Now I really love this product. I enjoyed using this. It helped me draw a winged eyeliner smoothly. It is smudge proof, transfer proof. I won't say waterproof because I think it gets easily washed away with water, and it is affordable, okay, and it stayed on my oily lid for a nice amount of time. The only problem I have with this is it dried up pretty fast. I was not expecting it to dry up so fast, and I have used other liners which stayed for like 7 or 8 months, and I have used them a lot number of times, and I feel if I am not able to use a liner for a long amount of time, it gets wasted. I am not saying that a liner should last me for a year or anything, but at least it should last me for good 4 to 5 months, and this one lasted me for like 2 months, which was a bummer. So yeah, I'm definitely not going to repurchase this again, but I really like how quite affordable and nice it is. I was not expecting this good of a liner from Nykaa, but yeah, this is nice. But yeah, I don't think I'll be repurchasing this again. Last makeup product and the last product I emptied out is a lipstick. Yes, I managed to finish a lipstick, and that is this My Glam Butterlicious Matte Creamy Lipstick. This is in the shade Possessed, and I really love this lipstick. It feels very comfortable on the lips. It is not transfer proof, but the shade is very beautiful. It is not too dry. If you ask me my views regarding this, or if I'm going to repurchase this again, definitely not going to repurchase this in spite of liking it, because of the fact that it is very pricey. It costs for 895 rupees for 3.1 ml of product, which I think is a bit too costly for a lipstick, and the shade is nothing you won't find in Maybelline or L'Oreal or Lakme. So yeah, that is the problem. I already have a backup of this because my mom loves this, but she also got it on discount. There is not always a discount on this lipstick, and there are only 4 shades, okay, for this, only 4 shades. And My Glam always have some of the other kind of discounts on all their lipsticks, but not this. So I don't think for 895 rupees this small of a quantity and this shade, I don't think it is preferable. So yeah, with that we are done with the product empties, and that was quite a long list of products I managed to empty out, but for that I am proud of myself. I hope this video doesn't turn out to be too long, but let me guys know if you want to see more such product empties. It will encourage me to finish up a product really quick and tell you guys my views regarding the product, and also to make space in my vanity and use up all the products which I am not using a lot, and to finish them faster before their expiry date. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know which are the products which you managed to empty out, or are you planning to empty out, and I will definitely love to know it. And if you are new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button and also click the bell icon for the notifications, and I will see you guys with a new topic in my next video. Bye.